Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting episode for you as we delve into the fascinating world of numismatics. We'll be taking a closer look at the Ultra UK 2 New Pence coins from 2006 to 2008 featuring Queen Elizabeth IE. So grab your magnifying glass and join us as we explore the value, information, and history behind these unique coins. Here it is, the star of today's show, the 2006 UK 2 New Pence coin featuring the regal profile of Queen Elizabeth I. This coin is a captivating piece of numismatic history. Before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest coin-related content. Let's start by exploring the history behind this coin. Minted in 2006, this coin is part of a series that pays homage to Queen Elizabeth IE. Known for her long and distinguished reign, the Queen has been a constant presence on UK currency, and this 2 New Pence coin is no exception. The design has evolved over the years, showcasing different portraits of Her Majesty. The 2006 edition features a classic profile of Queen Elizabeth EI, capturing the essence of her reign during that time. The reverse side, of course, displays the denomination, a 2 New Pence. Now, let's talk about the current value of this coin. Keep in mind that values can fluctuate based on various factors such as rarity, condition, and demand in the collector's market. As a current date, the 2006 2 New Pence coin with Queen Elizabeth IE is valued at current market value. Collectors often seek out coins from specific years, and the 2006 2 New Pence coin, with its unique design and historical significance, has become a sought-after piece among enthusiasts. Factors such as mint condition and any potential errors can significantly impact its value. If you're a collector or considering diving into the world of coin collecting, here are a few tips. First, always consider the coin's condition. Coins in better condition generally fetch higher prices. Second, educate yourself about the specific details and variations that may affect the coin's value. And finally, stay updated on the current market. 2008 UK 2 New Pence. Here it is, the 2008 2 New Pence coin featuring the effigy of Queen Elizabeth IE. This coin is a true gem in the world of British currency, and today we're going to explore its value and uncover some interesting historical facts. To truly appreciate the significance of this coin, let's take a trip down memory lane to 2008. It was a year marked by significant events worldwide. In the UK, it was the time when the financial crisis was unfolding and the Beijing Olympics were capturing the world's attention. Meanwhile, this coin was quietly being minted, destined to become a part of numismatic history. Before we dive into the value, let's go over some specifications. The coin is made to mention that the metal composition has a diameter provide diameter in millimeters, and weighs mention the weight in gram. Understanding these details is crucial when assessing the coin's condition and rarity. Rarity and condition play a pivotal role in determining a coin's value. Check your coin for any signs of wear or damage. Coins in mint condition are generally more valuable, but rarity can trump condition. So keep an eye out for any unique features that might set your coin apart. Now, the burning question, what is the current market value of the 2008 2 New Pence coin? The value can fluctuate based on factors such as condition, rarity, and demand. I recommend checking reputable coin catalogs, online auction sites, or consulting with a professional appraiser to get an accurate assessment of your coin's value. And there you have it, folks. The 2008 UK 2 New Pence coin featuring Queen Elizabeth. It is not just a piece of currency. It's a window into a specific moment in history. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, I hope this video has shed some light on the value and history of this intriguing coin. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments if you have any unique coins you'd like us to feature in future videos. Until next time, happy collecting.